Good evening, sir. How can I help you?
I have come to buy a pair of shoes. Can you please show me some shoes?
Yes, sir. We have different designs of shoes.
Please show me a pair.
Do you wear size 10?
No, I wear smaller size. It's 9.
Here you are.
Sorry, I don't like this design.
Wait a bit, sir. We have some latest designs of shoes. I hope you will like them.
Bring me a pair.
Here you are. Please put on this pair of shoes.
I don't feel comfortable with this pair. Please bring another pair of shoes.
Here you are. I am sure this pair of shoes will be comfortable to you.
Yes, this pair will do. How long will it last?
You can take it without doubt. This product has 1-year warranty.
How much?
2,000 taka, sir.
Oh, 2,000 take is a lot of money. Can't you reduce some price?
Sir, this is a fixed price shop.
Then pack it, please.
Here you are. Please deposit your money at our cash counter.
I'll do it.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. Reception, Mason speaking. How can I help you today? Hello, I'm staying in room 862. I would like you to send someone to clean the room, if it is possible. Sure. Do you want it cleaned now or do you have a time in mind? Well, me and my family are leaving in 20 minutes. Could you send someone after we have left? We will be out then for most of the day. Alright, that is no problem. Is there anything else I may help you with? No, that'll be all for now. If I need anything I will give you a call. Okay, have a nice day out with your family. Your room will be clean by midday. Thank you, Mason.